So I've been charring these beans in a dry skillet. You can see they're getting nice blackened marks on them. And then, once they're nicely charred, I'm going to sprinkle them with this citrus salt. I just grated a grapefruit, zested a grapefruit, added coarse salt, kind of let it dry out, and it's going to be a really good snack. All right, I've been dry sauteing these basically, and some olive oil is going to go in. They're going to start to sizzle, whoop, on top, and then goes on your citrus salt. I've turned off the heat, and I'm going to cover them for just a few minutes, and then they'll start to soften and steam a little.